12:30 there was a fire accident in a coach which was halted here at Madurai railway station. The pilgrims, they were traveling from Uttar Pradesh, and this coach was halted here by a train from Nagarkoil to Madurai, and it is supposed to halt here for 2 days. So some 55 passengers plus 8 helpers have been traveling, it seems. And today morning when they tried to make coffee for them, when they lighted the stove, there was a blast of the cylinder, it seems. And due to this, there was a casualty, and others were rescued. Some 55 people were rescued, and as of now we have retrieved 9 bodies from inside the coach, and among them it is 5 male and 3 female, and 1 we could not identify the body, and remaining rescue operations going on.